Hey everyone, it's Emily on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that I think is pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to make a custom page that you've created using the web builder function, your new home landing page. So first of all, I'm just going to show you what this looks like. If I enter just my standard URL, it's going to take me to the main browse page. This is pretty standard. Same thing for if I click the home button. Some libraries have changed this so that it goes to a different website. Same with clicking the logo. But for this library, it all brings it right to the main browse landing page. So how I'm going to change that, first of all, I'm going to go into the Aspen administration page and scroll down. You'll see the web builder section here. There's basic pages, custom forms, all that great stuff. I'm going to go into custom pages and you'll see that I have created a page. Don't judge me on how this looks. I kind of threw it together pretty quick just so I could show you guys this. But I've got kind of a little banner, some tutorial videos, and a collection spotlight that I've added. And then I've made sure to select the library that it's for. And up here at the top, this is the important part, is the URL alias. I have done /home for the URL alias for this one. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to go back to the administration page just so I can show you where to find this. It is down in primary configuration. It's right here. It's this host information. So we're going to go into this and we're going to add new host information. What you're going to do for the host name is just put in your standard Aspen Discovery website URL. And then I'm not really going to touch the library or location, but I am going to change this. So instead of it being /search/home, I am just going to make it /home. And so that's going to be the URL alias that I've used for that custom page. So I'm going to go ahead and save changes here. You'll see that it's now added it as the host information. And then when I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this ending here and just go to the main page, and there you go. It brings me to my nice little custom page that I've built. And it also updates this button. So same page, it updates clicking on the logo. So there you go. If you guys have created a custom page, if you've created something that you would like to use for your homepage, go ahead and use this information as you will. We'd love to see it, so let us know. Send us a little link for it. Maybe use the Slack channel, Slack workspace, because I personally would love to see it. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us. Let us know. We're always here to help. Have a good one.